Hello, in today's video I'm going to share with you my powerful DIY treatment for hair growth and to strengthen hair. If you're struggling with your hair breaking off or your hair being dry and damaged, then this video is going to help you. Please watch it to the end so that you really know how to make this treatment and also the best way to use it for maximum hair growth. Now, after watching the video, if you find it valuable, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with anybody who may need such content, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It will go a long way to encourage me to keep producing videos like this. So the first ingredient for this treatment is banana. As you can see, I sieve the ingredients. I always do that on all my videos. You find out that I sieve these ingredients. I don't want particles in my hair, guys. That's why I sieve the ingredients. Now I add avocado on top of the banana on the sieve because the banana doesn't pass so easily. So I use this fork just to press and produce a paste with the sieve, and then I'm going to go ahead with a spoon to press and make it pass. So you can see that the banana has passed out with the aid of the avocado. So that's my secret. See this amount of particles that would have been stuck on my hair had I not gone this step of sieving the ingredients. So that's what I always do. So after banana and avocado, the next ingredient on my hair growth treatment is an egg. So I use the yolk of the egg. That's why you see me separating the white from the yolk. I will not use the white. I will use just the egg yolk. So I go ahead to separate it this way. Egg yolk is the most important part of the egg. That's why I use it on my hair. I prefer the egg yolk instead of the white. This part of the egg is very rich in proteins, and these proteins strengthen the hair. The hair is made up of protein, so when you use proteins like this in your treatment, you are strengthening those protein bonds in your head, on your hair shaft, so the hair is stronger and it doesn't easily break. But now I will add another ingredient to this treatment, which is honey. The reason why I add honey is because I want it to act as a moisturizer for the hair. It softens your hair, and your hair will not come out of the treatment feeling dry and brittle. Now, if your hair is really damaged and you're experiencing breakage, your hair is not growing, you're stuck at a particular length, then this conditioner is going to do miracles to restore your hair strength, and then you're going to see length in your hair journey. So there are two other ingredients I'm going to add, which are fenugreek and spirulina. On this channel, I've prepared two separate videos, one for fenugreek, the other one for spirulina. I'll link them in the description, and I advise you to watch them so you see how I prepare these ingredients. On this video, I'm just going to show you how I add them to the conditioner. So this is fenugreek. I've sieved the fenugreek, and unfortunately I didn't film how I was adding it, but I've added, as you can see, the clumps here. Now I mix it very well to make sure it blends with the other ingredients in the conditioner, and then I'll go ahead to add my spirulina, which is already prepared. Now this hair growth treatment, you can use it once a week. If your hair is really super damaged, after your wash day, apply this treatment on your hair once a week. But if you just want your hair to get thicker and to be strengthened, then you can use it once a month, as I do for now. I just use it once a month and it's enough. My hair has regained the strength, and it's just to maintain that strength that I use it like this. So watch out for the next video, in which I'm going to show you how I apply this to my hair. See you then.